Welcome back to another video by 12th Istik. In this video, we will be discussing about the overview of Standard 11 subject Organization of Commerce and Management. So, let us begin with the gist of the syllabus Organization of Commerce and Management. In Organization of Commerce and Management, for Standard 11th, you all have 8 chapters in total. The first chapter is Introduction to Commerce and Management, second chapter Trade, third chapter Small Scale Industry and Business, the fourth chapter is Forms of Business Organization Part 1, the fifth chapter is Forms of Business Organization Part 2, the sixth chapter is Institutes Supporting Business. The seventh chapter is Business Environment, and the eighth chapter is Introduction to Management. So let us now know in detail about each chapters. Chapter number 1, Introduction to Commerce and Management. In this you have non-economic activity, economic activity which is divided into 3, that is business, profession and employment. Also you have business objectives, role of profit in business and classification of business activity which is industry and commerce. Moving ahead to the second chapter, that is trade, we have introduction, meaning, types of trade, that is internal trade, also classified further as the wholesale trade and retail trade, international trade, export trade and import trade. Export trade and import trade each have meaning and the export procedures and enterprise trade. Then to the next, that is the third chapter, is small scale industry business, meaning, definition, importance, advantages, challenges and the steps in setting up of a small scale business. The fourth chapter, Forms of Business Organization Part 1, private sector organization, sole trading concern, partnership firm, joint Hindu family business, cooperative society and joint stock company. Of all this each you have introduction, meaning, definition, features, merits, demerits and the types. Moving ahead to the next, the fifth chapter, Forms of Business Organization Part 2, introduction, meaning and definition of departmental organization, statutory corporation, government company and multinational corporation, each having features, merits and demerits. The sixth is Institute Supporting Business, SIDBI, NABARD, KVIC, Women's Self-Help Group, World Bank, each having introduction and features in it. The next, seventh chapter is Business Environment, meaning and definition of business environment, its importance, dimensions, new economic policy and business, and the last is impact of new education policy on business environment. And now we have the last chapter, that is Introduction to Management, meaning and definition of management, the characteristics, the levels of management and management as art, science and profession. So this is it with all the 8 chapters for Organization of Commerce and Management. Soon we will be back with a video on Organization of Commerce and Management for Standard 11th. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel 12th Istik for easy learning videos. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye-bye.